listen, man. Hey, listen, man. What's going on, my dude?
LSPD! Stop your vehicle! 10-4. Backup required in, Puerto del Sol.
Dispatch, we got a visual on the perp. In pursuit.
Yeah, what's back? It's not gonna get fired.
Backup required in Rockford Hills. Units respond code 3.
Roger, dispatch, we are en route. Dispatch, we got eyes on the perp.
We have an officer in need of assistance in Rockford Hills. Respond code 3.
The suspect is walking. Copy, that's the code 2, on our way. Perp located, in pursuit.
Hands in the air, now!
Oh, shit! LSPD, drop the gun! Oh, that's a bad idea. Don't do it!
Where are you going? Give up now!
You're fucked now! Put
Where
the
you gonna
gun
go now?
down!
You are
Give it
under arrest!
Steady!
Where'd they go? You!
You're good, you're good! Give up!
We've got you surrounded! You're mine now!
Assistance required in Rockford Hills. Attention all units. Suspect apprehended.